Hello everybody, Cheers18 Gaming here, and today we are at my mom's work with Tex and Rusty over there with my dad and sister. And we're going to walk along the shore. It's going to be amazing, guys. And you know what? I think that this will be a fun experience for you guys, watching that. What the heck is he doing? This is a pooping shot in action. I don't know if this is right for YouTube. I'll just cut that out. No. There is it. My mom picking it up like a civilized adult. Yeah. Say hi, Rusty. And so, go check out my friend Aiden's channel, King Dong. And if you actually find it, and it's a picture of a sloth, make sure you press on it, subscribe to him, and I can't say subscribe to my sister because, well, she doesn't really have a YouTube channel. No. I shall hold Tex.
Okay, you're gonna have to.
Come on, Tex. Tex, come on. Tex, come on. Come on, Tex. This is.
Come on, Tex.
Come on, Tex. Tex, come on. Come on. What the heck? He's like, I want to stay there. You're a stubborn dog. Well, Rusty's like, chill. Wait. Guys, I can show you. Isn't it awesome? My mom's carrying Tex. What the heck, Mom? Mom, if you hold the camera, I will hold Tex. Here, hold the camera. Now hold Tex. Now record.
Uh-oh, watch out. The dog poo-poo.